This is the elevator at the Residence Inn by Marriott, Tampa North in Tampa, Florida. Let's go to 3. It looks to be a Dover Impulse with the ThyssenKrupp logo on it. Those brails are ones typically you only see on 90s, maybe late 80s Dovers. Floor is a little sticky. You can hear my shoes. Let's go for one more ride. Rails down on floor 1 have been replaced. Video down at 2,100 pound capacity. It says elevator number 1. As far as I'm aware, this is the only elevator in the hotel. But who knows? I forgot if I showed the emergency phone, but here it is. Pretty sure it is the only elevator in the hotel. Anyway, that'll be it.